Hey friends, a lot of users have come up with this question that they want to save Excel as PDF in landscape orientation. So it's not very difficult. Let us say I have some data here on Excel. Go to the page layout tab, select orientation, select landscape. Okay, now you'll notice a little dotted line here. Click on file, select save as, select browse, give it a name, let's say any name, then change the save as type to PDF. Okay, and once you do that, then click on PDF. Okay, and this will save it and the landscape orientation, which is a little different from the portrait orientation. Okay, it will save it on the desired location. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.